Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the theorem of internal division of chords. Suppose two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of the circle. Then the product of the length of the two segments of one chord is equal to the product of the length of the two segments of the other chord. So let's see. This is a statement and it is very simple theorem to us for learning. देखिए अभी हमें क्या दिया है स्टेटमेंट. सपोज द टू कॉर्ड्स, कितने कॉर्ड्स है? दो. तो कॉर्ड्स कॉर्ड्स मतलब जो सर्कल के अंदर होते हैं, जैसे कि अभी यहाँ पे डायग्राम में दिखाई दे रहे हैं. एक कॉर्ड है ए बी और दूसरी कॉर्ड है सी डी. लाइक दीज आर टू कॉर्ड्स intersect. This word is very important. Intersect each other in the interior of the circle. वो क्या कर रही है? एक दूसरे को सर्कल के अंदर इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है. कहाँ इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है? पॉइंट ई में. पॉइंट ई में वो दोनों एक दूसरे को क्या कर रहे हैं? इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर दैट then the product of the lengths then the product of the lengths of the two segments. प्रोडक्ट मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दोनों सेगमेंट के जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन of one chord is equal to the product of the length of the two segments of the other chord. Because if two chords are intersecting to each other, then the chord is forming two segments like A and EB and C and ED. So these two segments product is equal to this two segments product, and it is we have to prove. So given we have AB and CD chord of a circle with center P intersect at point E, and we have to prove AE into EB means AE is a segment and EB this two segment part of the AB chord, and CE into ED these two segments also part of the chord. So now let's see. First of all we have to prove it. So that's why we have constructed here or construct AC and BD, these two lines. So now we have to construct, okay, we have to construct, draw a segment AC and segment DB. Means we have constructed AC segment and DB segment. After that, here two triangles form, which are AEC and another EBD. These two triangles help to us to prove our theorem. So now we have to prove in triangle CAE. See here in the diagram, triangle CAE and triangle BDE. These two triangles. Okay. So now, if you looking here, and we have to show the what is similar between both triangles. So now if we consider first of all angle AEC and angle DEB, why? Because these two angles are opposite angles of each other, and we have learned in ninth standard also. If two lines are intersect to each other, then their opposite angles are equal. And now see, angle AEC is congruent to angle DEB and is their region opposite angles. Okay. So later that we have to see what can we show which angle are equal. Okay. These two angles are equal. It is opposite angle of a line. After that, as we know, the inscribed angle theorem. Now you will see in the diagram arc CB, correct? By the arc the CB, there are two angles inscribed. Which are those? First is CAE, this angle. It is the inscribed angle of arc CB, as well as angle CDB, yeah, otherwise EDV. This arc, this angle also is described by arc CB. That's why these two angles also similar to each other. Then we can write here angle CAE and angle DBDE. Both are angle inscribed in the same arc, and which is the arc CB. Okay, that's why these angles are equal. Now you know very well. If any two triangles, two angles are similar, then those both triangles are similar to each other. And that's why here these two triangles are similar to each other by the angle test. So now we can write here triangle CAE and triangle BDE both are similar to each other by which test angle test. Now triangle CAE similar to triangle BDE with the help of angle test. And if both triangles are similar to each other, then always we are going to write the what we are going to write, their corresponding sides are equal to each other and the ratio of their corresponding side. Now let's see the ratio of corresponding side. First triangle AE, its similar side to DE because these are both sides similar, AE and DB. Why DE? Because these both are chord lines as well as both are corresponding angles equal. After that, CE upon B. C means this is also another length and EB. Both are equal to each other. So like this, these chords are similar to each other. After that, you can see here what we have to prove. A into EB is equal to C into ED. Correct? So if this denominator D or ED goes to another side numerator and another EB, yeah, B comes to left hand side, it goes to multiply. So now, so like this, A into EB is equal to C into ED, and then we have proved the above theorem. देखिए इस थ्योरम को सबसे आसानी से याद रखना है, जैसे कि दो कॉर्ड जब एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं तो उनके जो लेंथ सेगमेंट्स हैं उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन एक दूसरे के इक्वल होता है। ओके, तो चलिए अगर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है तो आप ले सकते हैं फॉर योर रेफरेंस, काइंड रेफरेंस। Okay, good. So tomorrow we will learn the external division of chords.